Good morning, good afternoon, and or good evening. My name is Henderson, and I'm very excited to invite you to come join me and Sher O'Rourke on September 25th, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to experience the power of soul song and soul dance, to find that inner tune, inner song, and inner movement, inner dance within you. How many of you are like me? I walk down the street, if I hear some beat, my body starts moving, grooving, dancing. And I know many of you have that song and dance inside of you. And this is from our soul. And to spark it up, bring it up to the forefront and make it presence, make it present in our everyday life. It will create the resonance, raise the frequency in every aspect of our life, from our physical, mental, to our jobs even. For me, I love dancing. So when I learned about the soul dance, I was like, how do we do it? And truly, after I find that soul dance within, dancing is effortless. Dancing, I don't have to think anymore. Do I need new moves? Do I need to learn something? No, it comes from within. It is our true nature that will be pulled out to dance, pulled out to sing. So I invite everyone to come join me and Sher O'Rourke to find your soul song and your soul dance. See you soon. Love you, everyone.